Here we have an Autophix ES910. This is a scanner that's specific for BMWs. Once it powers on, you go to BMW, select your model. Here we have a 5 Series. It's an E60. And under special functions, you can reset CBS. You can reset brakes, register battery, and all that. But to diagnose and read codes, you go to basic functions. You can do a manual select. But as you can see down here at the bottom, there's 72 different modules. And this BMW only has about 30 installed, but it'll show you all available. So it can get time consuming, and a lot of times you don't know which ones to look for, where to read codes and which ones to scan. For example, let's say your airbag light is on. In this case, we do have the airbag light on due to a defective passenger seat mat. One of the most common problems on these BMWs, and that code is usually saved under airbag B pillar module. As you can see here, you just kind of have to scroll for a while until you find the right module. And there it is, SBSR satellite, B pillar right. You can press enter here, and you can read the codes. And there is the code: seat occupancy detector, passenger communication fault. You can come down here and erase it. So an easier way to diagnose BMWs is, instead of doing manual select, you can go to system scan. You'll go through all those different control modules. You'll see which ones are installed on this BMW, and then I'll give you only those, and then you can easily scan through those and read codes. And so once the scanning is complete, now you only see the modules that are installed on this BMW. It's easier to navigate here. You can go through different modules here and read codes. Now it doesn't mean that because these modules are shown here, they all have a fault code. Some of them don't. See, there is no code there, but this SBSR, B pillar right, that should have a code. Seat occupancy, passenger communication fault, that's the passenger mat sensor, and that's where you go back and clear it. So that's just easier than going through this manual select and looking at 72 different modules. Some of them the car is not going to have.